up guys, it's Wizard God Game here, and today we are playing some more Asphalt Nitro. I've been playing it all day, yes, and I already have a new car. See, it's Alfa Romeo Mito GTA. This is my other car. Yeah, have 56 minutes to unlock this chest thing. No, thank you. Ads. Let's play. I've been playing it and I already unlocked season 2. We're gonna skip that elimination. Let's actually go this. And guys, I've been practicing this all day long, and this is my skill. Just wait for it. Leroy. What the fudge, dude? Move. God, I'm sorry about that. That was not meant. The soldier was fast. This is not the work of a pro. Drift. Jim second. Oh god. What the fudge? Guys, could you probably wait? Wait! Gee, they can't hear me. Jesus. Okay. Who said cars can't fly? Okay, never mind. I was going to try and fly. Jeez, these guys can't wait. Bicycle. Oh yeah, who said cars can't fly? I probably did. Could you probably wait, dude? Yeah, thank you. I came first. Even though I messed up a lot. Yeah. We can do another one. Yeah, let's do another one. God. No, thank you. No, thank you. Let's play Nevada Cats. Let's actually do this. Gee, I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. G. Oh my god. Do you already know this map? You suckers need to wait, because I'm the master. Told you. That was just a bitch. He literally just destroyed me. I will destroy this. He destroyed himself, and that's good. Woo! Get wrecked! Yahoo! I need to do a perfect run. That's what you get. Dude, stop drifting. Well, I kinda like it. Woo! Okay, I'm serious. Stop drifting. Rex. That was some mysterious stuff happened. Whoa, God. Dude, you could probably steer better. Yeah, let's boost it up a little bit. I like this. Yeah, boy. Woo! And Pokemon Master said he cannot record yet because their Wi-Fi is not that good. Yeah. So he can't upload videos for now. But yeah. He said he's going for this. Oh no. This guy's good. Jesus! Faster, faster. You little bitch. Move. I'm faster than you, boy. But that guy's definitely faster than me. Leroy. Woohoo! I need to catch up. No! I came up third. I came up third. That was pretty embarrassing for a skilled guy. GG. Okay guys, so that was Asphalt Nitro again, and if you want to see again more of this, drop a like, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also subscribe to Pokemon Master, cheer him up so we can again upload these videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!